Hey guys, long time no vlog. Thought I'd go ahead and pick up the camera today and vlog a little bit for you guys. Never opened this door with one hand. Give me 1 second. So yeah, we are playing in the yard. It is finally getting nice and hot. I really wish I would have brought my mic outside, but I didn't. Which is fine. But yeah, we're just having a nice little outdoor day today. And my husband is gonna build the grill that we got for Christmas. So for next week, we can have a cookout. We got a new grill. We have 3 now. Also, randomly, we switched over to, well, I've been using this one. You guys saw last year I used it. It still does not expire, so I'm going to continue to use it. And then we got this one for my daughter this year. It's supposed to be better for them, so I got her this one, and I bought the spray one as well. It's not as good, but I got it as well. Also, random thought, I got these at, well, my mom bought them at Five Below, and they're actually pretty big. We also got that one, 10 out of 10. Get them. And these for Target Dollar Spot and the Entertainer for a while as well. Mama. Yes, baby. We'll play right now, baby.
Mommy, just talk to me like that.
Me first? Oh, okay. So I have 4. So I'm gonna count in Spanish, or you Spanish.
I think I will use.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. You wanna say them in English? Go ahead. 7, 8. Good job. But mommy only has 4.
So I win that time.
You win? Okay.
Mucho.
You do have muchos, mi amor.
You didn't win.
I didn't win. Okay. Also, my daughter loves these instead of my husband. I'm not a fan of coconut water, but I'll drink it to stay hydrated. Alright guys, the grill is finally happening. I'm so excited. We got this for Christmas. And we're finally building it. I'm so ready to have hibachi night here and to make some breakfast on the grill. I'm so excited. I love grilling, and my husband's excited because he actually likes grilling, but I've always wanted a Blackstone. So yeah, I am so rusty. I forgot that I was vlogging, but it started raining on us. It was so pretty, but yeah, it smells so good. I came inside and my daughter hates taking a bath now. So I spent a nice 30 minutes fighting her while she screamed at the top of her lungs like it was the worst thing in the world, and it was just a shower. While my husband came home with gyro dinners. Yeah, I do have a chiropractor appointment tomorrow. I haven't seen him in 3 weeks, and I definitely need some adjusting. But yeah, I keep forgetting that I'm vlogging. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that we are watching Stitch, but then my husband disappeared. My father-in-law came, well, he's still here, and he disappeared and started vacuuming. Story of my life. All right, hey guys, it's actually the next day. I'm only gonna get the bag, baby. And we are going to my chiropractor appointment. I don't know what we're doing today, so yeah, my husband said he wants to go to Goodwill or Salvation Army. We'll see, but and my daughter's calling and crying for me.
Unicorn. 1 unicorn, 2 unicorn.
All right, so we went into the army and I did find some really, really, really cute books for my toddler. I'll show you guys when I get home. And then my husband went to Goodwill and my daughter wasn't behaving. So we came to the car and we are doing this book to distract her, well, me and her. While my husband's still in there and now he's coming. I want to go to Primark. Fingers crossed. It is a drive from us, but it's still kind of early, so let's see if he takes us. All right, so the mall had a really cute little play area, so we paid $20 so she could play. She did not want to leave, but we played for a good hour and a half, and then we went to a Cheesecake Factory and got some dinner for us. My daughter got some grilled cheese with mac and cheese and fries, and she ate all of it. We also, obviously, you go to Cheesecake Factory, you have to get some cheesecake. We got some cheesecake. I got the Oreo one. I think my husband got the raspberry one. It was really good, but my stomach hurt after. Okay, so it's actually the next day again. I actually have my hamper here so I could quickly show you what I picked up. Because I actually filmed it yesterday, but I was not emotionally okay. We got home and my baby did not want to take a shower again, and she just gets so bad. She literally screams like it's horrible, but I needed to take her a bath because, you know, she was out playing in those things and germs, and yeah, it was rough. So it's just been rough every time I take her a bath. In the summer, I told her, if you want to go outside and you want to play, you're going to really have to take a lot more baths. But yeah, just pray for me because it's a lot. I got this at Primark. It is a sweater. It's a basic sweater. Unfortunately, when we got sick with norovirus, she actually ended up puking on mine. And this was the extra small. There's extra smalls are like smalls, and their mediums are like large, because usually I like medium sweaters, and their medium was like an extra large. I don't know, they weren't really big, so I got this one. This was like only $12. We also did go to, I'm just gonna show you guys in general, we also did go to a Ross that was over there, and I got some shorts for my daughter. These 3 shorts were $12, and they are really, really soft material. These are 3T, so they are definitely going to fit her underneath her dresses, which is what I like these for. And then at again at what happened, baby? And again, when we were at Primark, I got this shirt. It is like a crop top kind of shirt, but it's not crop top. This is a small. Again, this material is like really stretchy, so I felt like this would be perfectly fine. My husband picked out this shirt. He actually picked out a couple. I think he picked out 3 or 2. Yeah, he picked out 2. So these were like $3.50 at Primark. I do need some basic shirts since I did lose quite a bit of weight. So yeah, I think, yeah, he picked out 2. Definitely going back next week. There is like a little Peppa kind of playground there, and I know she wants to go, so I think while her and my husband are playing there, I'm gonna shop at Primark by myself. So yeah, and then I also, the last thing I got at Primark was this shirt, which is kind of like the other one, but I wanted a little bit more of a summery shirt. And then at Ross, because the Rosses are by me and the Marshalls don't really have shirts that I like. I like very like not boring, but like graphic kind of tees. And I don't want to break the bank, so this was like $7 and it's Scream. And then I also picked up this one, which I thought was really cute. It says, "I hurt my attitude problem." But yeah, let me go ahead and see. I'm gonna put this in the wash, and I'm gonna see if my husband actually kept the books downstairs, or they might be in the garage. I'm not really sure. So we are outside. It's hot, but not hot enough for a pool. Well, in my opinion, it's 78. That's not hot enough for me for a pool. I think it has to be like 85 plus. But I did do her pool, and I put balls in it, and I put her slide, and my mom's here and she's playing with her, so she's happy and distracted there. I couldn't find the books that we got at Army, so I will have to show you guys in another video if I remember. Sorry. I'm pretty sure my husband left them in the back of the car. Since we got home so late yesterday, but we had fun, so that is the point, right? Even though the vlog, the day isn't over, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It has been a couple of days. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I know I have been really failing at vlogging. I'm hoping to get back into it. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thumbs up if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.